In this video,
a random thing, AliExpress. I don't know what this is, and $1. Hello everyone, my name is Alexi in real world, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you
how
I ordered a random thing from AliExpress. I don't know what this is. I spent a little bit more than $1 for it, and let's see what it is. Before you watch, like and subscribe because we are going to hit 10,000 views in only 2 months on creating a YouTube channel, which is good. Let's go. Hello. Okay, so let's begin. So this is a package, this is a knife. Let's begin. This is this package. It looks like this, and this is it. I have knife, I have package, and let's unbox this. Oh my gosh, this is a microphone. Oh my gosh, I didn't expect that. This was really random. So I technically ordered one item, random item, picked by AliExpress. Now I can record with you with better audio, I guess. This is a very nice present. This is not sponsored by AliExpress, but if someone from AliExpress will see this, go to aliexpress.com where you can order this for even less than $1 for a new registered account. So let's unbox this and see what is inside. We have this thing. This is really good. If we hit 100 subscribers before summer, I will buy someone this product. Okay, so we get this and we get this, and this is this long, so this is very big microphone. So this is technically type C, or no, it's USB. So this is you can plug in your PC or laptop, and this is the microphone. So this is how it looks like. By the end of this video I will try it, so stay to the end or scroll, it's up to you. So yeah, this is how it will look, and I guess the sound is really good. So this was the microphone, which will less than $1. I guess it's 79 cents for a new user. It comes to me 2 weeks because I expected it in May, so in the beginning of summer, and it went to me faster. So for AliExpress it's really plus. So go to aliexpress.com and see what we have. So we got package, this thing, this is very good, and microphone, which is 2 meters, so 5 foot. So as I promised, I will test out this microphone and let's see how it looks, and I will hope you subscribe. So this is the sound of my normal microphone, which I use for most of my videos, and this is the sound quality of AliExpress microphone. I can say the difference. I mean, I think end microphone from AliExpress and my own microphone sounds pretty familiar. So type the difference in the comments, and that's it. Like and subscribe.